My name is Liu Huini and my metric number is 298197. So SULAM, which stands for Service Learning Malaysia University to Society, combine academic learning with community engagement, allowing students to gain real-world experience beyond the classroom. It also helps students develop important practical and also professional skills. So for this project, our community partner is EduMe and Overseas Education Consultancy. The main objectives are to understand the company operation, identify key business, analyze its strategy, recommend improvement solution, and also develop student soft skills.
My name is Lim Xin-Jing and my metric number is 298453. First, I would like to introduce EduMe. EduMe is an educational consultancy company established in October 2024 as a university spin-off from University Utara Malaysia. The company was founded by the Associate Prof. Dr. Abdul Rahman Jaafar, who currently serves as the Chief Executive Officer or CEO. EduMe helps students pursue higher education opportunities both locally and internationally. The company provides services such as the university application assistance, academic advising, visa support, accommodation arrangement, and pre-departure preparation. One of the unique features of EduMe is use of the artificial intelligence together with personalized consultation service to improve the student experience. Next, moving on to the vision, mission, and objective of EduMe. The vision of the company is empower global education with AI and convention. This means that the company aims to make the education more accessible through technology while still maintaining a caring and supportive approach. The mission of the company is deliver world-class education service driven by AI and human-centered support. And the objective of the company is increase the brand awareness and expand their student base. While for the long-term objective is become an AI-driven education consultancy while expand locally and internationally. Next is the organizational structure of EduMe. At the top of the organization is board of directors, chaired by the Mak Hija Mahadi Hija Syukur, who provides the strategy direction and oversee major decisions. The company is led by the CEO, Associate Prof. Dr. Abdul Rahman Jaafar, who manage the overall operations of the business. Supporting the CEO is the management team who responsible for education, technology, and finance. At the operational level, EduMe consists of 4 main functional teams like marketing, student counseling, operation, and AI support, which work together to deliver service to students.
My name is Lim Shui, and this SWOT analysis shows that EduMe's main strengths are its integration of AI with human consultation, personalized end-to-end student support, and agile business model. However, the company faces weaknesses such as low brand awareness, limited manpower, and financial constraints of technology development. In terms of opportunities, the growing demand of overseas education, digitalization, and advancement in AI provide strong growth potential. On the other hand, EduMe faces threats from intense competition, changes in visa policies, and economic factors such as currency fluctuations and rising study costs abroad.
Hi, my name is Lisa Han. EduMI mainly face 3 problems. First, its brand awareness is still low because many students are unfamiliar with its services. Second, although EduMI has implemented AI, its technology is still not fully developed. Thirdly, limited financial and technical resources make it difficult for the company to invest in further growth.
Hello, my name is Yap Sen and my matrix number is 299377. For the solution implementation part, our first strategy is the webinar promotions, where our group are looking to increase the EduMe brand awareness and also their market visibility by reaching a wider audience through a more cost-effective way. And our team are responsible in promoting the webinar session and also identify the target audience such as the pre-university and also undergraduate students and also the parents. And through the webinar, we are successful achieve a strong participant engagement, active Q&A session, increased visibility and potential leads, and also through a cost-effective and sustainable marketing tools. And for our second strategy is the enhancement of their banner design. So our group has been successfully identified the issue of the existing banners such as lack of visual appeal and also they are too packed with the informations. And our group has proposed several suggestions and enhancements, for example like simplify the content to deliver a clearer message and also to enhance the color contrast and virtual hierarchy. Other than that, our group also recommend to add QR codes onto some of the banners and also to place the banner in high traffic areas. So from this, we're able to improve the visual communications, impose a stronger brand recognition, and also increase the potential to attract prospective students to the businesses.
Okay, now let us continue for the distributions of posters and also the infographics. So for this, our objective is to increase the EduMe's brand awareness and also the visibility. And the activities that we do is design and distribute the poster and also the infographics, and also highlighted the EduMe's services benefit and also the study abroad informations on those posters and infographics, and distributed approximately around 70 to 80 promotional materials on the campus. And inside the poster and also the infographic, we include the QR code features which link directly to the EduMe's website and encourage the website visits and inquiries. And besides, we distribute all these posters in several locations such as the lecture halls, student accommodations, and student gathering areas, and also outside the EduMe's office. And in result, it will improve the brand awareness and also recall, and also increase the interest of the EduMe services, and also enhance the overall market visibility. And now let's move to the technology improvement based on the customer insights. So the objective is to improve the EduMe's digital platforms based on the students and also the customer needs. And The key issues identified from it is there is no real-time applications, tracking system, and also the information overload during the university sections, and heavy residence on manual inquiries and support, and existing FAQ system may cause the delayed responses. And our recommendation is to introduce a real-time application tracking feature in order to address these issues, and also enhance the AI for the personalized study recommendation for those students and also the customers, and also improve the website and mobile user experiences, and implement AI chatbot and also the AI FAQ for 24/7 support. And from that, we can expect to reduce the user uncertainties and also the anxiety, and improve the engagement and decisions making, and also increase the responses, more efficiency, and also enhance user satisfaction and trust for the edomies. And the key takeaway from this is the customer-centered technology improvement can strengthen the edomies competitiveness and also the service quality. Thank you.
Moving on to LISA implementation, let's start with the highlight of their financial position. The company recorded a zero revenue and a loss of 26,000 in April, and this amount increased to 170,000 in May, moving the company into a profit of 40,000. This reflects a major surge in profitable business activity, while trade receivable increased from 105,000 to 167,000. This growth indicates a healthy increase in transaction volume, specifically for Adobe core service like consultancy and student placement. Lastly, the legal earning also doubled to 71,000. Overall, this metric shows that the strategic implementation successfully strengthened the Adobe financial position and built a solid foundation for their growth. Next, let's look at the result of our regular promotion strategy. The promotional campaigns was successfully bringing in approximately 120 registrations with around 100 participants actively attending the live event. This representing a 80% to 90% attendance retention rate, that featuring a highly active participation during our Q&A session. The true value, however, lies in the post-webinar outcome. There are 15 participants directly request individual follow-up consultation, showcasing a strong genuine interest in overseas education opportunity. This initiative not only enhances consumer trust and engagement between the public and Adobe consultants, but also we can estimate that there are 3 to 5 future student placement solely based on this high intern consultation. Finally, we address the physical marketing materials through our banner design enhancement initiative. As you can see in the before image on the left, the original banner suffered from excessive cramped information. This significantly reduced the text readability and made them less effective at quickly catching the eye of the student. We have revamped the layout by simplifying the core content, established a cleaner visual hierarchy, and implementing an enhanced QR code integration. The result is it increased the visibility of Adobe service and vastly improved our offline to online conversion rates via the prominent QR codes. Passerby now can seamlessly access the digital platform and book consultation instantly.
Now I will talk about the result of poster and infographic distribution. This campaign was a low-cost marketing strategy that successfully increasing Adobe visibility among students by placing 50 poster and infographic in high-traffic areas like the TKGs and accommodation halls. As a result, Adobe gains a stronger physical presence and become more familiar to students through repeated exposure. The campaign also encouraged more interest and potential engagement through QR code linking to Adobe website. The last result is the result of technology improvement based on customer insight. The recommendation were delivered verbally and were not implemented during the project due to the time constraint, limited financial and technical resources at Adobe. As a result, issues such as the slow response time, manual communication, and lack of application tracking are still affecting users in the short term. Since they are not new features that are deployed, there is no measurable data on improvement in satisfaction or operational efficiency. However, the project still provides a long-term value by offering a clear, customer-focused roadmap for Adobe future technological development and competitiveness.
So overall, our project is considered as successful as we are able to identify the key issues that faced by the business, such as low visibility, technology gaps, and also limited resources. And we have also implemented several solutions like webinar, banner, poster, and also digital recommendations. Through all these solutions, we are able to improve the awareness of the business, the engagement, and also both of us gain the mutual learning benefits.
Throughout this project, our team demonstrated creativity by developing practical solutions to address the Adobe business challenges. First, we identified key issues related to brand awareness, customer engagement, and digital development. Second, we proposed an integrated marketing strategy that combines the webinar, promotional materials, and QR codes to increase the customer reach. Third, we suggested customer-centric innovation such as application tracking system, AI chatbot, and personalized university recommendation to improve the user experience. In addition, we enhanced existing promotional materials by making them more interactive and visual effective. Finally, all recommendations were developed through the brainstorming and critical evaluation to ensure they are feasible, impactful, and sustainable for Adobe's future growth.
Hey everyone, my name is Kamin Chai. For our SULAM project, we propose a dual-layer innovation to support EDMI accessibility, an offline to online framework using QR code on physical banners, and a digital roadmap featuring 24/7 AI chatbots and application tracking. This innovation adds great value. Students and parents get quick information and transparency, which reduce their anxiety. Automating repeating questions relieves the workload for consultants, letting them focus on high-value personal guidance. However, innovation brings risks. We identify technical limits like poor mobile optimization and the operational risk of overwhelming EDMI's small team during peak surges. Therefore, we recommend a phased strategy, focusing on low-cost mobile optimization and AI chatbot first. Looking ahead, the industry will become more digital Yet we repeat, technology must complement, not replace, human interaction, as empathy remains essential for a major education decision. This project beautifully taught us how to balance market opportunity with real risk management. Thank you.
One key entrepreneurial lesson we learned from EduMe is the importance of vision. The company has a clear goal of becoming a leading AI-driven education consultancy and expanding its presence beyond Malaysia. We also found it interesting that EduMe used AI to support human consultants instead of replacing them. This showed the importance of balancing innovation with customer need. Overall, we learned that successful entrepreneurs need a clear vision, adaptability, and also a focus on long-term growth.
Now I will be presenting on the importance of networking in entrepreneurship development based on the case of EduMe. Networking helps entrepreneurs build strong business relationships by creating trust and long-term cooperation with partners, clients, and industry stakeholders. It also improves access to practical information such as market trends and education industry updates. In EduMe case, continuous interaction with partners and institutions help them stay updated and improve their service. Besides that, networking supports collaboration between organizations. EduMe works with partners like Orient Associate Malaysia and Agra Education, Sdn Bhd to strengthen its service delivery. Overall, networking helps improve competitiveness by enhancing service quality and allowing the business to grow through external support and partnership.
From this project, we learned that entrepreneurial opportunities can come from solving existing customer problems. We also learned that entrepreneurs need to adapt to technology and market trends. Lastly, entrepreneurs should continuously explore new opportunities to expand their business in the future.
Next, the business CEO of EduMe demonstrates several important entrepreneurial characteristics. First, he shows visionary thinking by planning to expand student placement services to more countries and diversify into tourism and employment services in the future. Second, he demonstrates risk-taking and determination as he started the business with only 5,000 ringgit and grew it through self-funding and reinvested profits. Third, he shows innovation and adaptability by utilizing AI websites, apps, and social media while adapting to market changes. Finally, he displays strong customer orientation and leadership by providing comprehensive support services and collaborating with experts from different industries to better serve students.